I always love shooting these videos in the snow. It always adds kind of a nice atmosphere to them. Isn't that right, Mr. Lobo? Toki over there eating some ice. Toki and Lobo playing. It's funny, Toki's actually bigger than Lobo now at 10 months old. Get him, Bo. Get him, Bo. Kurgan's like, settle down, boys. K-Bar moved in for Kurgan's piece at that time. He's getting double teamed by Ulu. Ulu made him squeal. Actually, that was Kurgan's collar that broke. I see Ulu still has her red collar. That was King Kurgan's collar that broke. Get him, Bo. You tell him, Bo. Get him, Bo. You always know when everybody's feeling pretty satisfied with their food when they all start playing like a bunch of maniacs. That's Ulu and Toki. Kurgan coming in to play with Ulu and her telling, I don't think so. This is me, just me and the grandson playing. Again, that's Ulu playing with Toki. Mr. Kurgan coming over to get more pets. Got some water on the lens there. Let's see. Get that off of there. K-Bar and Kurgan. Kurgan wants that hawk over there behind K-Bar. K-Bar's deciding which one he's going to defend. There's a squirrel over there they just heard. A squirrel's nest up that tree. Badge and Toki playing. Ulu coming in and holding them down. Again, when you see mounting like that, that's sexual mounting. You know, that's done in both play and also in shows of dominance, and that's what Ulu's doing here. Is she's showing him she's dominant in playing. Get him, Bo. Get him, Bo. Get him, Bo. Lobo going in to hamstring him. Oh, I bet that feels good, Badge. Toki's got such thick hair, I don't think he feels anything through it. It's like armor. Ulu, don't chew so hard on him, drag him by his hair. And again, when I oversee these things, you know, if I see somebody playing a little too rough, I just say something and you see they stop right away. We got that big cotton ball snow coming down. I love hiking in this stuff. I hope it's still coming down when the beautiful Tammy gets home from work. If it is, I'll film a hike. Oop. Bathroom break for Toki. If you've enjoyed this pack feeding and you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and you'll get email notifications when our new videos come out. Check out our merch store down below. There's always a link in the video description, and then there's also a merch shelf below the video where you can see some of our many items for sale. It's a good way to support the channel and get something cool in return. Otherwise, there's the thanks button at the bottom of the video, and we do have a PayPal link in the video description also. We're just happy you watching the videos, and even happier if you share the videos and subscribe. But hey, thanks for making it this far. Bye again from everybody. Lobo, Gabar, Honey Badger, Kurgan, Toki, and Miss Ulu. Thanks for watching, and see ya. Canine centipede about to form again. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below. We appreciate all your support.